So today at Kraftwork K9 we have Greta and Bob puppies. They're 3.5 weeks old. We have some beautiful bicolors and some beautiful sables here. Gorgeous looking dogs. Wow. And you guys look like you're hungry, aren't you? You guys look like you're hungry, huh? Let me come over here and bring you some food. Yeah, check it out. Check it out, guys. Look at that. Wow. Yep, you guys were hungry, weren't you? Wow. Wow. Look at them go. Wow. Look at them go. Now this is just what I like to see. All these beautiful dogs are super hungry and happy, tails wagging while they're eating. Wow, the pigmentation in these sables is so pretty.